Hey kids, today we're going to talk about coordinate grids. Sometimes you hear people say coordinate plane, same thing. You probably did a little bit of this last year, so some of this won't be difficult for you. I have a shape here. Now this is going to look a little different because you're not used to seeing all of this. Probably last year you just were in this section right here and everything else was gone. Okay? But today I want to introduce you to this section and this section here and this section here. You notice there's 4 sections. This section is called quadrant 1. That's a fancy term for that section. This section here is called quadrant 2. Down in here is quadrant 3. And the green circle is located in quadrant 4. Again, this is real simple. What kids tend to get confused is they get the X and the Y axis mixed up. This going from left to right horizontally is the X axis, and the one that goes up and down vertically is the Y axis. All right, don't get those confused and you'll be good. Oftentimes you heard your teacher say that when you want to plot something or read an ordered pair or a point on a grid, you crawl, then you stand. And that's a good way of remembering it. For example, this red triangle, you go over, you crawl to the right 3 spots, and then you stand up 4. So the ordered pair for that, the ordered pair for the red triangle would be over 3 and stand up 4. That's the ordered pair for that. Well, what about the yellow square? Well, here you're not, the only thing different now is you're not crawling to the right, you're going to crawl to the left. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, but that's -3, and then you're going to stand up 2. That's pretty simple. So the ordered pair for this one is crawl 3 to the left and up 2. The ordered pair for the yellow square is -3, 2. Let's jump down into quadrant 3, into this section right here. Again, you're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, crawl to the left on the x-axis, -5. And now you're not going to stand, but you're going to sink. All right. So you're going to, that's a good way of remembering it. You're going to crawl to the left on the x-axis, and then you're going to sink. How many? -2. So the order pair for the pentagon is -5, -2. What about the green circle? Well, you're going to crawl over 1, and then you're going to sink 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to sink, not stand. Sinking is the opposite of standing, -5. That's not that difficult. Let's do another one. Let's do right here. This section, this right here. I'm trying to make out a circle, but it's kind of hard because I don't want to get rid of the -2. What would that be? Well, you're not going to crawl anywhere there. You're not crawling to the left or right. The only thing you're doing is sinking. So you're not crawling to the left or right. You're going 0, and you're going to sink -2. Again, for the next week or so, when we do coordinate grids, I'm going to stick mostly to this section here, but I thought I'd introduce these quadrants because it's not that difficult. All right, thanks for watching.